Before entering into the apartment, let's talk about your safety and security. For that, we have given a video door phone and a digital lock system which can be operated either from PIN code, through thumb, through normal traditional keys or with an RFID card. So let me take you to the tour of our apartment. Here you can see an L-shaped entrance lobby which help you to ensure your living privacy from the common outside passage. Along with that, it comes with a dedicated place where you can keep your 3 or 4 door shoe rack provision, and the entire area can be utilized for the storage in your home interior. Now moving ahead, here you can see on my left hand side a massive living area and on my right a dining area. So talking about the living area, this is the place where you spend maximum time with your friend and family.
The beauty of this layout is we have given a living in a rectangular manner so that you can align your personalized sofa which complements your living.
And this living comes with attached balcony which is covered from the top, ensuring your privacy. Not forgetting our roots, we have given a Tulsi Vrindavan for your daily worship and a separate charging station to charge your mobile and laptop. Now to enhance the elevation of the building, we have given the toughened glasses in both our balconies throughout. With this elegant living, we have given a separate dining place wherein you can have a 4 or a 6-seater comfortable dining set. Now moving on to the kitchen, which is my personal and favorite place, wherein we have given an FPV platform along with the service sink which can be used for vegetable and fruit cleaning. So in kitchen we have given a gas leakage detector, ensuring the safety of each member of your family. Now keeping hygiene in our mind, we have given a separate dry balcony where you can have your main sink used for utensils cleaning, and opposite to it a dedicated place for your washing machine with inlet and outlet. So this area can be utilized for your parlor platform, and this place can be used for a serving window as your kitchen is just adjoining to your dining. Now moving ahead, as you can see, on my left hand side is the common wash basin and on my right is the first bedroom, which is a kid's bedroom. This is the place where heart and soul of our family lies. So this bedroom comes with a separate niche area where you can place your wardrobe
and a bay window where you can sit and enjoy the scenic view with your children.
Now keeping your safety in our mind, we have given a panic alarm button which can be used at the time of emergency. Now opposite to kids bedroom, we have a common washroom where we have given a premium CP and sanitary fittings of Grohe and Kohler. Now moving on to the second room, which is master bedroom, which is quite huge in size, and it is coming along with an attached washroom and a balcony with it. In this room you can place your master bed as per your choice, and along with it we have given a dedicated place where you can have your wardrobe. And this master washroom comes with anti-skid tiles and a motion sensor lights in both our washrooms.